Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Zoom meeting passcode. To begin, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access your account settings, meetings, and personal room information. If you are not already signed in, make sure to log into your Zoom account first so you can make changes to your meeting settings. Once you are on the homepage, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Meetings. This section contains your scheduled meetings, upcoming sessions, and your personal room settings. Since the passcode we want to update is tied to your personal room, this is the area you need to be in before making any changes. After that, click on Personal Room. Your personal room is your dedicated meeting space in Zoom, and it has its own meeting details, including the meeting ID and passcode. Opening this section lets you review and update those details whenever needed. This is especially useful if you want to improve meeting security or share a refreshed passcode with participants. Once you are inside the personal room section, click on Edit. This opens the meeting settings so you can make changes to the current configuration. In the Edit view, you will be able to update the passcode field directly. Take a moment here to make sure you are editing the correct meeting settings before continuing. Next, enter your new passcode. Choose a passcode that follows Zoom's requirements and is easy enough for your intended participants to enter accurately while still being secure. If your organization has guidelines for password or passcode strength, be sure to follow those here. It is also a good idea to double-check what you type so there are no mistakes that could prevent attendees from joining the meeting. When you are done entering the new passcode, click Save. This final step applies the change to your personal room settings. After saving, your updated passcode will be active, and anyone joining your personal room going forward may need the new passcode instead of the old one. As a final reminder, once the change is saved, make sure to share the updated passcode with anyone who needs access to the meeting. This helps avoid confusion and ensures participants can join without issues. That's it. You have successfully changed your Zoom meeting passcode.